We are exploring the beautiful Peacock Island in Berlin. So let's discover its stunning scenery, majestic peacocks, and hidden charm together. Right in front, you can see Peacock Island. To go there, you will first need to buy a ferry ticket. Then, hop up on the ferry for a short ride across the river. And in just few minutes, you will arrive at this beautiful island and your actual adventure begins. As soon as you step onto the island, the first thing you will notice is this beautiful white castle, which is surrounded by lush greenery and it looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. It is one of the Peacock Island's most iconic landmarks and a must see during your visit. And it was absolutely beautiful. Its vibrant blue and green feather instantly caught everyone's attention, and I couldn't stopping to take a few photos. Just then I noticed a rare white peacock nearby. It was much shyer and quietly walked away as I got closer, making the moment feel even more special. As I walked further, I spotted four peacocks together. They were calmly wandering through the greenery, completely at home, and watching them this close was such a unique experience. Moments like these are what make Peacock Island so special. As I kept exploring, I reached one of the island's most popular peacock spot, that is Peacock Aviary. And it is home to some truly beautiful peacocks and rare birds in a peaceful setting. Seeing them this close was an amazing experience. As I started exploring the aviary, this rare and beautiful peacock caught my eye. Its vibrant color and elegant feathers made it one of the most stunning birds I have ever seen. As the weather turned cloudy, the peacocks became more vocal, filling the island with their distinctive calls, and this experience was unforgettable. As we continued exploring the island, because of the cloudy environment, something incredible happened. One peacock suddenly spread its magnificent feather right in front of me. The vibrant color and elegant display were absolutely mesmerizing. Everyone around stopped to admire the beautiful movement. It felt like nature was putting on a special show for us. This was definitely one of the most unforgettable moments for my visit. As I walked a little further, I spotted another incredible sight, and this time it was a rare white peacock with its feather fully spread. It looked absolutely majestic against the lush green surroundings, and watching such a graceful display up close felt truly magical. And moments like these are what make Peacock Island so unforgettable. As I continued exploring, I reached the beautiful rose garden. Among the blooming roses, I spotted a few stunning peacocks wandering gracefully in the garden. The colorful flowers and elegant birds created a truly magical scene, and it honestly felt so beautiful that it seemed almost unreal. If you are feeling tired after exploring the island, this is the perfect place to take a break. You can grab a bit to eat, enjoy a refreshing drink, or simply relax and soak in a peaceful surroundings. There is also a plenty of open space to unwind and enjoy nature, and it is the perfect spot to recharge before continuing your adventure. As I walked a little further, I came across a beautiful fountain with a female peacock standing beside it. The whole scene looked absolutely magical. It honestly felt like a moment straight out of a movie. While exploring the island, I came across several beautiful historic buildings. Each one had its own unique design and charm. The architecture blended perfectly with the surrounding nature. It felt like every corner of the island had its own story to tell. Before leaving, I had to capture one last cinematic shot of the island. The peaceful scenery, gentle breeze, and lush greenery created the perfect frame. Every corner of Peacock Island felt like a scene from fairy tale. It was the perfect way to remember this beautiful place. And with that, my journey around Peacock Island come to an end. This place is full of natural beauty, fascinating history, and unforgettable moments. If you are ever in Berlin, I highly recommend adding Peacock Island to your travel list. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next adventure.